Hello there and welcome to another one of our Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos, helping you learn English fast. Yesterday I was chatting to an Indonesian friend of mine who's been living here in the UK for the last couple of years, and I knew that she had been planning to go back to Indonesia to visit her family sometime this year. So I asked how those plans were going, and she said, "Wow, I had been thinking of maybe going back in the summer, but I don't think that's going to be possible. So I'm hoping maybe Christmas, but who knows, there might still be travel restrictions in place. There could be a second wave of coronavirus. To be honest, everything's a bit up in the air at the moment." If you say that your plans or some kind of matter or issue are up in the air at the moment, it means that it's still uncertain because you need other things to be decided first. So you might say, for example, well, at the moment, to be honest, the whole future of the project I've been working on is a bit up in the air. To be honest, at the moment, our trip is still very much up in the air. Who knows if it's going to happen? If you've liked this video, please smash the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel. In the comments section below, let us know about anything that's still very much up in the air where you are. Thank you.